Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis. And today we would be looking at one of our favorite coin on the channel, which is Polygon Matic, right? And the price for Polygon Matic or Matic today is about 0.89 cents. Remember, if you like the channel, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be looking at the crypto markets and what we believe the price of Matic or what could happen to Matic in the next few days, in the next few hours, and if possible, even in the next few minutes. So click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and even share with your friends, right? Looking at the price of Matic just from a weekly perspective, we have been seeing a huge change in price. So Matic went as high as $1, and we have seen Matic pull down to about the 0.85 cents. Since then, we've been moving sideways, right, for the price of Matic. But quickly, we'll just move to the chart, right, and see what was going to happen to Matic in the next few days, right? If we pull over this chart for Matic, and this is Polygon Matic on the weekly, and we have been talking about one of our very important indicators, which is the William Alligator, right? And we said every single time on the weekly that price comes above the William alligator. That means if price comes above the blue line, right? The blue line if is above the if the green line is above the blue line and price comes above, that means we are very bullish. That means we should begin to buy. And as we can see, with such a huge run in the price of Matic, this was about how many percent run? This is about a 6,000% run for Matic. The next time we could see price break above the William Alligator, we saw Matic have had a huge run of about 59%, right? And we saw came back even to this place, right? Came back to the support, tested the support, and we could see another huge run for Polygon Matic, which was about how many percent? Right now that was about probably down from the support above, right? We're seeing probably about 150% in the price, and since then, right, we have been pushing back. But at this moment is time, Matic, right, is getting above our William Alligator, right? Last time we came above the William Alligator, we went 48%, and we said we're expecting at least a pullback for Matic to come test the support for the William Alligator. And if Matic can hold this support, this is very, 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 very bullish for Polygon Matic, as we could see Polygon Matic push even to the next support, probably sorry, to the next resistance, even about probably the $1.6. As you can see, a 70% increase in the price of Matic. So Matic looks fairly bullish right now. This is something I would be dollar cost averaging into. I would be buying into. Take note, this is not financial advice. Take note, this is just for educational purposes. So please don't take this as financial advice, but one of the things I am really looking at, and as you can see, is that according to our indicator, right, Matic is very, very, very bullish, right? We were expecting the retracement, we got the retracement, and now we are hoping that Matic could hold the support. And if for any reason Matic holds the support, we should see at least a 77% increase in the price of Matic, right, or Polygon Matic. So it looks very bullish. If we bring up our indicators, right, our stochastic is saying that probably we should see some little downward or sideways action for the price of Matic. Same thing with the RSI. So probably if Matic probably might just see a little push down, probably a range for quite a while, so that the stochastic can and can reset and come back down. So probably, but generally, we believe that Matic is very, very bullish. If we come down to the 3 days time frame, exactly everything we said every single time it pushed up, and we bought here, pushed up, and now we're expecting this retracement, right? Because we needed to come down, test the William alligator, right, and then push up, right? But if we lose it, that would be very bad for Polygon Matic, as we would have further downward price action for Polygon Matic. But if for any reason we push up, then that means Polygon Matic is very, very bullish, and then we should be expecting higher prices even for Polygon Matic, right? If we come even to this chart, we can see that we're actually at a very, very critical point for Polygon Matic. As you can see, we said with the chart, right? That same thing with the EMA ribbons, right? The EMA ribbons is another indicator that we use every single time price goes above the EMA ribbons, right? Especially on the weekly, we are very bullish, and we could see a huge change in price. And every time we saw a price comes below the EMA ribbons, we've seen a huge, huge retracement in the price of that asset. And as we can see right now, Matic is actually testing the EMA ribbons, and probably we should see probably a price action or a break to the upside, right? And so for now, I believe Matic is very bullish, even though money flow shows that money, a little amount of money is going out of Matic. But as we can see, our oscillator is still bullish on the weekly. So I expect probably some sideways action, then a move to the upside. So probably we should be expecting further move to the upside. Should be expecting, right, at least as you can see, the EMA rebounds are about to turn bullish, though we have a lot of liquidity areas, right, that we can see. So probably, as you can see, Matic has been in this sideways action probably for about a few months right now, down even from July, August, September, just probably about 4 months we have been on the sideways action. We tried to break out here, but the breakout wasn't successful, and now we are retesting the EMA rebounds. And if for any reason we hold this price, right, we should see Matic at higher prices. So if you like the channel, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you, and have a great day.